If I told you there is a place in Italy where the sea looks painted, but the real secret is not what you see? In front of you is Polignano a Mare, one of the most spectacular pearls of Puglia, a village suspended on the rock. White houses, breathtaking cliffs, emerald-colored water. Every corner looks like a postcard, every view like a movie. Just stop for a moment, look at the sea, listen to the wind, and understand why those who come here fall in love with it. But there is one thing that many discover too late. Polignano is not just a place to look at, it's a place to taste, because some landscapes enter the eyes, but certain flavors remain in the memory forever. And the flavor that truly tells the story of this land is rice, potatoes, and mussels. A simple but extraordinary recipe. The rice absorbs all the aromas, the potatoes become soft and flavorful, the mussels bring the sea into every bite. A slow, patient cooking that transforms simple ingredients into something special. It is the perfect meeting between land and sea. Two souls of Puglia united in the same dish. Now imagine this. You have just walked through the alleys of Polignano, admired the cliffs, observed the sea from above. Then you sit at the table. A steaming plate of rice, potatoes, and mussels arrives in front of you. And suddenly, everything connects. The sea you were watching, the breeze you felt on your face, the colors of the rocks, the aromas of the kitchen become a single memory. And this is where the magic happens, because we don't just remember what we see, we remember what moves us. And when an incredible view meets an authentic flavor, that moment stays with us forever. Perhaps this is why Polignano a Mare captivates anyone who visits it, for its beauty, for its authenticity, for its soul, because in the end you don't truly know a place just by looking at it. You know it when you taste its soul. And in Polignano a Mare, that soul smells of the sea, potatoes, and mussels. Journeys end, photographs are archived, memories fade over time. But there are places that can stay alive within us because we have experienced them with all our senses. Polignano a Mare is one of these. And the rice, potatoes, and mussels is the flavor that continues to tell its story even long after returning home. If you could return now to a place in Italy just to relive a dish that moved you, which would you choose and why?